Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of JDM Daily. So today on the Honda, we're gonna be installing a set of upper control arms. We got it from SDM, or you can search WongStreet2Track. I'll leave descriptions down below. You guys should head out to his YouTube channel. He has some great content there as well on his EG. That's one of the best in Cape Town, if not the best in Cape Town. That's my opinion. You can comment down below what you guys think of his EG. But yeah, um, I'll catch you guys at the workshop.
What, whose car 7 is this? Yeah. Oh, the lights, yeah. Now we have the 7 rim on. That's because it happens.
Oh, yeah, I see you come very close to the house. Where's the usual shit? Nah, not really.
Dan moet even zien, stikken net, die kan geen naam. No.
Standing there.
Who?
I don't know who she is. I never saw her before. Hey bro, can you put it in your vlog?
Huh?
Can you put it in your vlog?
No, doesn't that not be muted?
Why would you view it now? It's all.
Guys, show him my videos, man. Then give me an end today. So. Workshop though is based in Diep, a total garage. If you guys ever need assistance, you can come contact him. I'll leave his link in the description down below, his contact numbers and everything. But yeah, you can sort out with tires, you name it. Yeah. I will be using custom names as well, my shafts. I will be putting the S4C gearbox in, which is a VT gearbox. I have the shafts. I'm just looking around for gearbox. I got the short, I got the intimidators as well, the short intimidators. Yeah, so I'm just waiting on the gearbox. But keeping my hopes high. Hopefully I get it soon. But yeah, hopefully I can post like once a week. Like I said, I am working and I do need to like say for other things, so I will try my best, utmost best to post every week something that will be going on with the car. But like I say, as soon as I get like capital for parts, I will buy parts and you guys will see how I do it. The upper control like I explained, is normally this, you call it a wire nut. You call it a wire nut which locks the nuts in place, which is just the one which is in here. But otherwise feeling that it comes out really quick. As you can see here, the push is completely gone. The other two seems alright, but I just bought a complete set, so just put it in. If not, why not? I mean, the thing is, it's always better to do left and right instead of just left or right. Then you know your way down is equally the same. So yeah, let's get cracking. Lacking. Brand new. Like I said again, guys. Just turn the camera in. Guys, brand new. Delete parts. Go to SDM on Instagram. I'll leave the links in the description down below. If you need anything from him, he will sort it out. I mean, I'm quite happy. Very happy. Let's get going. Let's get this up.
One eternity.
So guys, welcome to the Monday. It's Monday today. I'm doing my wheel alignment. I replaced the upper control arms as you guys remembered. So 2 days later, I'm here at GoodHooe Tyres. This is a family member of mine. If you guys ever need assistance wheel alignment, tires, rims, they have it. And they stock some very nice and they work very quickly. So if you are like in the CBD area, Observatory, Woodstock, so on, come down to them and they might give you a good price, and prices is always negotiable. So peace out. So I am planning on to do the whole suspension at the bottom. I already replaced the bushes, the trail arm bushes, but I think I'm gonna do the upgrade on the control arms. I think I'm gonna put in a red ones. I'm not sure yet. I want you guys to comment down below which color I should go with, because the color scheme I'm going with is red, white and black. But yeah, let me guys know in the comments below what you guys think and what colors I should go with.
Today's video, guys. Thank you once again for tuning in, watching and commenting and liking my videos. Thanks again, big shout out to SDM and WongStreet2Track. If you guys ever need parts, contacting with him up. His links and descriptions will be down below. Thank you guys, peace out, till the next one.